What's up, guys? Are you using Python and writing codes in it, but you feel like boring it is, and just I can make you what I can say your mood feel good by applying new themes in Python. So we can just customize the themes there, and all of the colors we can change and customize it like us. So you can also apply the presets. So I have a bunch of collections of presets for the Python. So I will just give it to a description box, you can download. So in this tutorial I will want to show you how you can apply the presets, or you can customize a Python like yours only. So hey guys, I am Somani Paul, you are watching Tech for Tips. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, for changing the presets of your Python, we just need to go to the start menu and search for IDLE. Okay, and after that it will come 32-bit and 64-bit. So make sure that if you have a 64-bit processor or 64-bit operating system, then you should choose this 64-bit, or if you have a 32-bit operating system, then you should choose this 32-bit operating system. So basically, to check how whether we have 64-bit or 32-bit computer or OS operating system, so basically we need to go to this PC. Okay, so click it and right click it and go to this properties, and here you can see all of your system specification will be shown here, and you can see system type, it is 64-bit operating system, and it is 64-bit processor. So it is my 64-bit operating system. So for this we need to again type IDLE and go to the 64-bit and just click over it, and it is my customized one. So to make Python customize, we need to go to this options and go to this configure IDLE. Okay, and after that you can see you can change the fonts as you want. So okay, so and you can resize the font also. So basically we go to this highlights option. Here you can see it is a fully changed, or here it will be like this only, your IDLE classic this. So basically your Python looks like this, which is a dull and boring, what I can say. So basically we can just cover up a custom theme. Okay, so for making the custom theme, you select a background and select this normal color text. Okay, background, and choose color 4 and just click this black, and just make your theme name something, whatever theme 1 I am giving, and just click OK, and you can see your black background changed. So basically you can by clicking this you can change all of these colors. So basically I am normal code or text I'm selecting and making this as a green, because I like this hacker ones like that to type. Okay, so basically you can just do like that, or if you want a built-in theme or built-in presets, you can also do that. So I'm showing this you after some time. So basically select this custom theme and select which theme you want. So basically I'm this theme 1. You can change it to many themes I have just created before one hand. So basically you can do like this theme 1, and you can just change all of this. So if you just click this, so basically if you whenever you will click this option, you will see the color, which color it is. So it is a gray, so you can see this is a gray color, so you can change it to any color, choose color 4. And basically I have customized this theme because it looks me the best one of the customized theme I have made. So for this you can do like this. And if you want a built-in preset, so I have a bunch of 4 to 5 or 7, I forgot. So basically we can apply those presets also. So for that we need to just close it and close the Python fully, and after that I will give you a link in the description box of a Google Drive, and here I will give these all of the codes in the description box, or maybe in the Google Drive. So you should go to the link and copy all of the codes which are here. Okay, and you can just select Ctrl A of your keyboard and just select copy and close this. Okay, I'm not closing this. And after that, how to apply this preset? So for that, go to the start button and type IDLE, and to make sure it is 64-bit or 34-bit, and just don't left click it, just right click over it and just click open file location, and after that it will take you to the shortcut, and again select and right click it and just click open file location over here. And after that, here the Python software will come where it is mainly installed. So here you will get one lib folder, lib folder, and after that open this lib folder, and after that you will get a folder IDLE lib folder. This, just open it, and here if you just scroll down over here, and you can get this config highlight.def file. This just click it and just click right click and click open with, and make sure you should uncheck this one. Always use this app to open def files, and click this notepad and click OK. And after that you can see your codes are there, so no need to worry, it will not crash your software actually. So just what you need to do, just at the last of the code you should select this and give 2 enter spaces. Okay, suppose I am giving 1 enter and 2 enters. Okay, and now press right click and paste, or Ctrl+V to paste the code which we have copied. So I'm just pasting. So you can see all of the codes came which are here, so you can just check out that all of the codes are there. So basically what you have to do now, so I think it will give error because here not the space is given, so you should apply double space, means double enters. Okay, and go to this file and click save, and done. And now open this IDLE Python, and select this 64-bit one and just open it. Okay, and after that go to these options, configure IDLE, and after that go to the highlights, and still make sure it is checked in built-in theme, and click over here, and you can see all of the the presets which I have given you came here. You can see any of these, you can see the preview of that theme or presets. So basically whichever you want you can apply in your Python. So many things I gave you, it is like Ubuntu, that coding structure. So it is Tango, and it is Obsidian, and it is IDLE Neo. I don't like that. IDLE Dirt is also good, or preferably go to Desert one, or maybe this VSC one, because I like the Dart themes most. Okay, in Python. So I'm just clicking apply, and as soon as you click apply you can see your format applied over here. And if you want you can change it to a custom theme and select your theme once. Okay, so and click apply and okay. So basically you can change your Python structure like this, and it is a very simple way to change, and many people don't know this, and they are using the dull version or dull theme, which is a built-in preset, and basically I don't like that white version. Basically I like this black version, and it looks like smooth, what I can say, coding man. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like the video and do share with your friends, so that your friends can also turn up your Python into a new and advanced type Python. Means to change the themes, not advanced, to change the themes. And if you face any type of error or any type of problem regarding this change or installation of these themes, then you make sure to comment down below, and make sure to comment down below. So thank you friends for watching this.